So what we're going to take a look at in this video are some other elements of Canva that you can apply to your digital designs. And in particular, we're going to focus on using frames, meaning picture frames, images versus photographs, as well as videos. So let's say, for example, I'm going to look for a presentation on a topic my students are going to be studying soon. So I'm going to type in ancient Egypt and see what Canva has. And I'm going to click on templates because I don't want to look at my own projects. So clicking on templates. So you can see here there are over 1,000 templates available, and there's different types of templates here. Some are presentations, this one's a poster. So I'm going to use the filtering tool so that I can drill down to get exactly what I'm looking for. So I'm going to select category, I'm going to select education, resource type, and I'm going to specifically look for presentations. So now we're down to 206 templates. And if you recall from our last video, if you want to take a look at all the slides in a presentation before you actually decide to use it, you can click on the image and you'll get a preview of what is going to be included in this presentation. And it does not mean you have to use all of the slides that are part of it. I'm going to use this ancient Egypt one. I've already looked through this one, so I'm going to use this one. I'm going to select customize this template. So as soon as I click customize, it puts a copy in my projects, and as I make changes, everything is going to be saved. So you can see here, by default, it puts the first page, the first slide in the presentation. You can either drag and drop the ones that you do want in, or if you want all of them, you can click apply all pages, and that'll bring all the slides down in here. Any that you don't expect to use, you can click on the three dots and the little thumbnail at the bottom, and you can select delete page, and that will get rid of it. So let's take, for example, this particular slide here. Since we're talking about frames and videos and images in this particular video tutorial, we're going to do some changes with these images here. So you can tell that these are actually photographs. They're not like drawn images like you would see here, but I want to change them out. I want to see what else is available. So I'm going to go ahead on the left-hand side and select elements, and then I'm just going to type in pyramids. So it will divide the different types of images that are available to you. So I can see there are graphics, which I'm not interested in for this purpose. There are videos and there are photos. So for one of these, I'm going to replace it with a photo. So I'm going to click see all just to see what is available to me. And maybe I will select this particular slide here, this image here rather, and I want to replace the first image. So all I need to do is drag it and drop it. And you can see here as I move it, it should then put an image right directly in the frame. If I go too far, it's going to think you want to just drop that on top of your content. So you have to make sure that when you drop it, that the image changes. So now I have that image here, which was a choice I probably shouldn't have made because it's the exact same one, but I'm going to now replace another one. So I'm going to again select pyramids, but I'm going to click on all so it brings me back to all the different types of images, and I'm going to look and see what they have in terms of videos. So it looks like they have a number of different videos of the pyramids, and it will tell you how long they are on each one of them here. So I'm going to look through them, and if you hover on them, you'll see them move a little bit. So let's say I select this one. Again, I'm going to drag and drop it right into that frame. And you can see here, this will play in my presentation automatically. There will be a moving image. Now, if you wanted to create your own additional images and put them into frames, you can do that. So let's say we duplicate this slide. So I'm going to click on it and select duplicate. And I'm going to get rid of the content over here. I'm just going to select everything and hit the delete button. And what I want to do is add my own frames into this with more videos or images. So I'm going to come back over to my elements, and I'm going to search for frames. So, and this is what I want. I want different frames. So I'm going to click see all. and I'm just going to drag one on top of my page. So now I can fill this with any type of image that I want. So let's go back over and we'll type in pyramids, and I'm going to choose all. So right here you can see, again, I have more videos to choose from. So I'm going to click see all, and I'm going to take a look at what else is available here. And again, if I hover my mouse on it, it will show me exactly what the image is going to do. So let's say I pick this one and I drag that on here. So you can see this image would then appear. So you could add your own text to this and anything else you want on this slide. So that's how you can use elements to find pictures, videos, graphic images, frames, and make your presentations come alive.